I'm still thugging. I'm still thugging. I'm still thugging. You ain't in the field thugging, bitch. I'm out here still thugging. I'm still thugging. Hey, we still thugging. We still thugging. You ain't in the field thugging, bitch. I'm out here still thugging. A lot of rappers claim it down, but what you think? Nigga, I made a whole song called Let's Rob a Bank. Niggas already know, niggas don't think I'm really on the motherfucking straight up paper chase. Make they flow erase like they saw the strays. Niggas already know, nigga, what you fucking think. Put the money up on your mind, bitch, I'm up on my grind. You already know, leaving a lot of haters blind. I don't really give a fuck, yes, I'm one of a kind. Flow go divine, yes, it said yes, I said flow goes divine. Hold on, I'm fine, yeah sir, I'm blessed. You already know, man, I got that type of flow to take away all of their stress. Bitch, I'm the truth to the hood, no snitching. Niggas already know, man, don't switch it. Hey, still thugging. Nigga, I'm still thugging. Still thugging, you ain't in the field thugging, bitch, I'm out here still thugging. I'm still thugging. Still thugging. Still thugging. You ain't in the field thugging, bitch. I'm out here still thugging. I'm still thugging. I'm still thugging. Look, all I know is that I got bills to pay and all this shit, and I got those to meet. Niggas already know, man, I'm born to eat. I don't really give a fuck, bitch, when I'm on the beat. It's like God speaking. Hold on, man, it's God preaching. Hold on, man, y'all eyes seeking. Hold on, man, y'all God seeking. Well, come find me, nigga, if you God seeking. I'm in God mode, bitch, I break the God code. Niggas here been past the Vinci code. I mean, I surpassed the Da Vinci code. Hold on, and I know that the shit is slow. I mean, I really gotta glow like Bruce Leroy, but hold on, I'm way better than Bruce Leroy. Boy, I'm that D-boy that will straight up destroy any beat, any nigga in the street. Niggas already know, yeah, I'm straight up bringing heat. I'm still thugging. I'm still thugging. Still thugging, you ain't in the field thugging, bitch, I'm out here still thugging. Hey, I'm still thugging. You still thugging. I'm still thugging, you ain't in the field thugging, bitch, I'm out here still thugging. Hey, legend with the flow, ask anybody. Hold on, man, I'ma catch hella bodies. You ain't really bout it, you ain't really bout it. Yeah, I really doubt it, yeah, I really doubt it. A lot of niggas lie on the fucking mic. Niggas already know that's because they lying on life. Hold on, man, they living like this strife. Hold on, man, I be killing on these mics. Can someone give me the answer? Why do I do that shit? This worse than cancer. Goddamn, man, flow sickening. Hold on, man, come quick, man. Like I got a motherfucking tattoo that says Shinobi in Japanese, dude. Hold on, really rolling around with that crew. Niggas already know it's all. Look. Fuck it, nigga, I'm still thugging. I'm a shaman and I do it, man, I'm still thugging. I'm still thugging, you ain't in the field thugging, bitch, I'm out here still thugging.